Hello, this is Mr. Knight. This is your Geometry, Chapter 1.1, Identifying Points, Slides, and Planes. This will be very quick. We're just going to go through some vocabulary here. I think a point is pretty given. You understand that. A line. A line can be identified by an actual letter. It could be identified by points that are on the line. A plane is the same way. A plane can be identified by a letter, or it could be identified by 3 points that are on the plane. Collinear means points that lie on the same line. So if that were C, A, C, and B would be collinear. Coplanar are points that lie on the same plane. So you'd be looking at A, B, and C. Those points would be coplanar because they lie on the same plane. All right, next piece, line segment. A line segment extends in both directions. And then or that an actual line does, excuse me, and then a segment on that line might be 2 points, and on that line you might say segment AB. So this would be a segment. It is written as AB. Notice that the errors are not on my little diagram up there. And then when we talk about rays, we have an endpoint, and the other line extends on forever, does not end. It can go in either direction, does not matter. Okay, and you usually identify a point. Let me put a point C here. This could actually be ray, I could say AB. I could say AC. Okay, I could actually say CB, but then C becomes my actual endpoint, if you will. So notice the first letter in each case is your endpoint. When we talk about rays, actually we just talked about it. When we talk about opposite rays, when we talk about opposite rays, we're talking about 2 rays that share a common endpoint, which in this case it would be ray CA. So I have ray CA, and the other opposite ray would be CB, and that would be CB. Notice that the common endpoint is C, and they actually form a line. So that's what we call opposite rays. So it's going to be 2 rays that share a common endpoint that actually create a line. Okay, so that's a very quick, very short and sweet on lines, points, and planes. Okay, have an awesome day, and we'll see you tomorrow.